As these fires continue to rage in Southern California, help is arriving too, and some of that coming from right here in New England.
Over the past few days, we have heard stories of devastation and destruction, tragedy, and close calls. Among those close calls, a Boston native living in L.A. NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg continues our team coverage now, live in Boston.
And from the exhaustion of all of it, really has been something long days for those down in Southern California. First it was shock, now it is disbelief about everything that has played out down there. Talking with one Boston native, he lives down there now. He says he hasn't been able to sleep, afraid if he closes his eyes, that fire behind his house will get closer.
This is it. This is California right now, living in California. Right, evacuated.
Grabbing what he could, James Michael Cummings racing to escape a rapidly approaching fire in Southern California.
Can you see the smoke? Do you see it?
The Boston native making the decision to flee with his family after days of worry and wonder in Los Angeles.
I was awake for days because, you go to sleep, you're like, no, it's not going to get any closer. And you wake up, you're like, it's closer. A lot of traffic, there's a lot of smoke. Smoky smoke.
Cummings driving through the night to stay with family in Las Vegas.
Driving away from L.A., driving away from the fires.
Others finding help closer to home, including at shelters like this one at an expo center in Pasadena. Retired Cape Cod firefighter Greg Bodemer on the ground there, volunteering with the Red Cross.
A lot of people basically showed up at the shelter with the clothes on their backs, and that was it. And they've lost everything.
Bodemer has been working 12-hour days every day. The need is great, he says, but the outpouring of support has been too, providing a little bit of comfort for those who have lost so much.
Every little thing that we can help out with, it might be a little thing to us, but to these people that lost everything, it's a huge step.
And talking with Bodemer, he says the need down there really is unprecedented. You saw some of it right there, but so is the outpouring of support. He says it's been really moving. And if you've been watching everything unfold down in Southern California, you want to do something. He says the best bet, find a reputable organization on the ground in Southern California. Live in Boston, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.